Looking to charge your mobile phone or transfer photos and videos to your laptop, but forgot to bring your phone cable? Borrowing one from a stranger might be convenient, but it could expose you to a hidden cyber threat. This USB-C cable might look ordinary, but it can control your mobile phone or laptop. Mr. Ivan Fotorensky, who works for cybersecurity and defense firm Thales, explains more.
It's very easy. You can easily buy on the internet, on the darknet. The cable cost is around 250 euros, and you can buy this kind of cable. And inside this cable, you have a chip Wi-Fi. You can connect to the Wi-Fi, and when you plug this cable on a device, on a cell phone, a smartphone, or your computer, you can immediately control this device.
In Mr. Fotorensky's demonstration, the compromised smartphone is made to automatically send SMSs.
The interesting thing in this cable is USB-C, so you have power inside this cable. And so because we have this Wi-Fi chip inside it, I can easily connect to this cable, and I can manage the software in my computer to automate some script inside the smartphone or inside this computer, and I can do what I want with these computers.
Even when you have your charging cable with you, think twice about using publicly available USB ports to charge your smart device. Hackers can tamper with public device charging stations and install malicious software in them, a tactic known as juice jacking, according to a report by the New York Times. The software can then infect the phones of users which are connected to the modified USB port, allowing hackers access to the device's contents such as personal data. This is Dominic Loh signing off from Paris, France.